My respected brothers and my sisters, from today we are launching one campaign, Know Your Book, Awareness of Quran. We claim this is a book of guidance. We claim this is the last divine message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for humanity. But very strange that we really don't know what exactly this book is talking about. The campaign is about listening Quran while driving. When you drive for work or masjid, just focus that I will listen only translation of Quran. I'm skipping Arabic part of the Quran here. I want every one of us to go through translation of Quran at least once in our lifetime. And I have seen in my personal experience that this month I started listening just Quran translation while I am driving for masjid or my work. I was able to finish 20 paras in 10 days. 20 para, 20 juz in 10 days. So inshallah, this will give uplift to our iman, our faith, our commitment, our yaqeen, our relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Once we will know this book, because this book we have put really on side, and Allah's kalam is the best kalam. No lecture, no seminar, no tazkir could be better than tazkir of Quran, kalam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's forget about all lectures and seminars until we go through the translation of Quran. Please spread the word. Let other people know, your family member, your relatives, your friends, that let's have this campaign all around the world. Listen Quran while driving. Know your book. Listen translation of Quran. This campaign, inshallah, will help all of us to know our book, to know the divine message, to know the guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which will bring peace and love and harmony and Jannah in this dunya for us, and inshallah Jannah of the hereafter. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.